Picture this, you're juggling a million things. Work, family, that ever-growing to-do list. And somewhere in the back of your mind, a little question pops up. A simple one, really. Does my phone company also do banking? It sounds a bit out there, right? Like asking your plumber if they can also redecorate your living room. But in today's world, where everything seems to be converging, it's a valid question. We're talking about Rogers, a giant in the Canadian telecommunications landscape. They've got their fingers in everything from internet to cable and, of course, mobile. So, banking? Is it a stretch? Think about the convenience. Imagine managing your phone bill, internet, and your everyday finances all in one place. One login, one app, one less headache. It's the kind of seamless integration that makes modern life just a little bit smoother. But here's where things get interesting. Rogers, as a telecom behemoth, has certainly explored the financial services sector. They've dabbled in payment solutions, and they've definitely been part of the broader conversation about digital wallets and mobile payments. But a full-fledged, chartered bank? That's a different story. The regulatory hurdles for establishing a bank are immense. You're talking about compliance, capital requirements, and the sheer complexity of managing people's money. It's not like adding a new channel to your cable package. It's a whole different ballgame. And while Rogers has the reach and the resources, the question remains, is it a path they've actively chosen to pursue? Now, let's cut to the chase. The answer, as of right now, is no. Rogers does not operate a traditional, chartered bank. They haven't branched out into offering checking accounts, mortgages, or personal loans in the same way that a standard financial institution would. However, it's crucial to understand that the landscape is constantly shifting. We've seen the rise of fintech, the increasing integration of financial services into everyday apps, and the blurring lines between traditional banking and technology companies. Rogers, like many of its competitors, is actively involved in these developments. They're part of the conversation around mobile payments, digital wallets, and how we interact with our money in the digital age. They've offered payment solutions related to their services and have explored partnerships and integrations that touch on financial transactions. So, while they don't have a bank in the traditional sense, they're definitely playing in the financial services sandbox. The future? That's anyone's guess. With the ever-evolving nature of technology and finance, it's entirely possible that we could see a more significant push from Rogers into this space. Perhaps through partnerships, acquisitions, or even a strategic shift in their business model. The appetite for seamless, integrated financial services is growing, and companies like Rogers are well-positioned to capitalize on that trend. So, to recap, no, Rogers doesn't have a bank. But they're involved in the financial space, and they're part of the ongoing evolution of how we manage our money. Keep an eye on this space, because things are changing rapidly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.